Hello guys, today we are going to be doing some plane spotting because I'm not that far from the airport and you can still see the airplanes take off. So yeah, we are going to watch the airplanes take off today. I'm also going to put some music on. If you know the names of the songs, then leave a comment down below what the songs are. Okay, let's just wait for airplanes. If we don't like waiting, just listen to the music or do like, I don't know, something. They take quite a little bit to take off and land. Because I saw one land, but it was too late. It was gone when I just pressed record. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear me, but yeah. I might zoom in so you can see it. Oh god, that's blurry. I don't know if I can actually do this. Come on. Cause this is my life. Right here, right now, right now. What? I'm living inside. I'm awake and I'm alive. Wait. Whew. It's where my camera is pointing. Yeah, that's what I'm pointing to the airport where my camera is, you know. I'm doing it on a phone because I can only do a YouTube channel on my phone for some reason. I have a thingy. I might have just gave you the answer of what the song is. But the thing I just showed you is my tablet, but I had the Sonic version because I can't find the song of it, just that version, really. Leave inside, it's my time. I'll do what I want, cause this is my life. Right here, right now, right now. Leave inside. I'm awake. There we go, there we go, there we go. I see it. Wizard.com. Oh gee. Come on, come on. Show it. Show it. Come on. There it is. It's that little thing moving. It's wizard.com. It's not really that great, but it's wizard.com. I can see it with my own eyes. So I'm going to tell you. That's one of them. I wish I actually had the model. It's way over there. If you have really good eyesight, you can still see it. But it's gone. It's gone. That's what I mean. It takes so long. I don't really know what to do. Just standing here. Okay, let's zoom back into normal. What the? Leave inside. I'm awake and I'm alive. Waking up. There we go. Max volume. If you want to hear a really good sound of it, wait for the next one. It's from the speaker. Wait. It's on the speaker, so it might be a little loud. I'm gonna. I'm gonna put this one on. It begins with a hint. And it has the word in it. I told some tilted Joshua to go, but you remember me. Remember me for centuries, and just one mistake is all it will take. Will go down in history. Remember me for centuries. Hey, oh, but hey, hey, oh, remember me for for centuries. I've seen the trees. No, there's nothing wrong with me. The critters have a love, the who's of love, oh, tomorrow morning, let me in. I push this every finger. It's been 5 minutes and 20 seconds, and I can't believe none yet has taken off except one. Wizard.com. But the one before I saw was EasyJet. Just to tell you. I'm at Luton Airport. Look at it, look at the car, look at the car, look the car. I don't know if it'll come, I saw on YouTube. I don't think it's gonna come. It was, oh my god, that car was beautiful, man. I'm so sorry you guys missed it. I should have turned it to where it was. What the? Oh yeah, when I cover it, it doesn't really work properly because it's Bluetooth. I am the awesome. I'm just blue, so pretty, but you're gone so soon. Some days I told, some to just let it go, but you remember me for centuries. Just one mistake is all it will take. We'll go down in history. Remember me for centuries. Hey, oh, but remember me for centuries. Here forever, forever. The poison blue. I can scream forever, forever. Ah, the poison So there is. I'm sorry, it's been 7 minutes and 39 seconds right now. I just don't know why they take so long. I can't speed it up. I'm sorry, I don't know how to yet. Well, I'm just a 9-year-old kid, alright? My YouTube isn't that popular, you know. Yeah. But if anybody are watching this, just you can speed it up until another airplane comes. Or you can just wait and listen to the music. Yeah, really. Right next! Come on. And come on, airplane. You guys probably know this already. I'm just going to tell you because you guys probably know this already. Boldest basics in education and learning. The title is, if you want to search this up, the title is Basic in Behavior, Boldest Basics Animated Minecraft Music Video. So it's a Minecraft one. And material, starting half of every detail. Nobody wants attention, we only want attention. Even when life is tough, all the quarters are enough. This is how we. It's Minecraft version, so it isn't like the little dude running. Fly up everything that you want. Yeah, Wizard.com! Wizard.com again! Wizard.com is the only one flying. Oh my god, that's amazing. EasyJet is the most populous one, but Wizard.com is amazing. It just keeps flying. There it is, boys and girls. That's Wizard.com again. So just be. Woo! I've actually got some models of airplanes. God, only 2 took off in like almost 10 minutes. 9 minutes and 52 seconds. Crazy. Okay, that one's gone, so I'll show you my airplanes. wants to eat. Yeah. So first move, Emirates, American, Emirates A380, Everton, FedEx, and the speaker. That wasn't included. I've got about 17 at my dad's. My mum and dad separated, really. I don't want to tell you that, but yeah, I just. Anyway. I'll give you a quick tour of my bedroom. Can I zoom out? Okay, there it goes. That's my name. And yeah, and I have another guy. Yeah. And I have a TV. I have a red nose for Red Nose Day. That was last week Friday. I've got a clock. Got a sofa. Got a massive wardrobe. And then I got the view of the airplanes taking off and landing, really. Into those out in red. These songs sound so long, but they're only just 3 minutes. Some are 4, which is this one actually. Mostly they're 3 minutes songs. Don't wanna stay. Got a light up there. Got a painting there. Got a dance. That for my brother. I don't use any of this. Got that in as well. Just a random. If you think this is pajamas, they're not. They're so. Oh, EasyJet. Really? First one, EasyJet. Where is it? Come on! Wait, where the heck? What the heck? I can't see it. There it is! That's EasyJet. I know it's really hard to see because my camera is just so rubbish. I need to get a new one. But that one there is EasyJet. It just went in the clouds, so yeah. Good night, EasyJet! And good morning, Wizard.com. Well, afternoon, because Wizard.com is like the one only running. With 2 Wizard.coms and 1 EasyJet. Wizard.com is just breaking the world record right now. Oh, look at the car. That's the exact same car I have. I have no idea how that guy got it, so. Or did he steal it? I might not post this video I might not post this now because I just showed my face. Because sometimes when you show your face, they might know you, and then they can and they can come to your house and steal stuff. If they know you, but you don't know them. So yeah, I might not reload. Upload this video. That's what I was gonna say. I haven't even seen one single Ryanair. Ryanair is also at Luton Airport. If you want to go on EasyJet, we'll take a couple of Ryanair. Links in the description. Don't know why I say that, but yeah. Links in the description if you want to go on one of those 3 airplanes. I didn't see another one, but it didn't have a name, so I don't really know what that was called. The only ones I know which are at Luton Airport, Wizard.com, EasyJet, and Ryanair. I've got EasyJet Ryanair model. I haven't got Wizard.com. I hope I get Wizard.com, so then I really completed it. That's it. I'm not posting this video. Oh. Just ignore that. Just ignore that. Just ignore that, please. Forget what that said. Oh, good night, everyone. I am so mad. I'm so mad. I'm going to smash this phone in the window. And I do not want you guys to see it. So, yeah, goodbye. Now I'm not going to do any more YouTube videos because I'm going to do it.